In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create interactive buttons right here in Google Sheets. So if you want to create interactive buttons that perform a specific task or function, you can do this by creating a script with your app script for that function, then assign a script to an image or drawing that you create right here in Google Sheets. So how do we do this? Well, first, I have no background in any coding or JavaScript at all. So what I can do is to ask the help of AI or ChatGPT to create that script for me. So let's go ahead and open ChatGPT. I already have mine right here with a prompt. Once I pressed enter, it has already generated the answers for me right here. So here we have the JavaScript or the code that we are going to be copying and pasting to our app script. Then afterwards, we can go ahead and assign the script to a drawing or to an image that we're going to insert into our spreadsheet. So we have the steps right here. Again, we're just going to go to app script by opening our extensions, paste the script or the code right there. Then we can just save it. Now it's up to you if you want to name it, then go back to your sheet, create that drawing or insert that image, right click on it and assign the script right here. So easy steps that we can follow. Let's go ahead and first copy the code that it has created for us. Now the function here is to clear out the entire spreadsheet. So once I click on that interactive button, I want it to clear out my entire spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and go back to our spreadsheet right here. Open our app script by going to extensions, then click on this one. App script will open in another tab. Here we have it. Now, before you paste in the code, make sure everything is clear. So if you do have something else there, make sure to select it, delete before you paste. So I already pasted mine. The next step would be to just save it. Again, you have the choice to rename this project. That's totally up to you. But once that's saved, that is that for our app script. Now we're just going to close this and we're back to our spreadsheet. Here we're going to create our drawing or insert an image. So we can do both. We can do our drawing first, go to insert, select drawing. Here we can draw or we can insert an image or a shape. So we're going to do a shape right here. Usually do a bevel. There we have it. Create that bevel. Format it in any way you want. That is totally up to you. And you can also input some text in the middle. I'm just going to do clear spreadsheet. There we have it. Again, you can format this in any way you want as well. Once you are done, you can just go ahead and save and close at the top right corner. Here we have our drawing. So the last step would be to assign a script. So if we go back to ChatGPT right here, scroll down, we have that script that we're going to assign or that code. Copy the code, go back to your spreadsheet, and click on that drawing. So once you click on it, the ellipsis will appear here at the top right corner. If you click on that, one of the options would be assign script. If you click on it, then just paste the code or the script that we just copied, click on OK. If we click on this drawing or this interactive button, it will run a script and clear our entire spreadsheet. There we have it. So that's how you can create that interactive button with a drawing. Let's try it out with an image. So if I right click on this and select delete, there you go. If we go back to insert, select image, insert image over cells. Go to Google Images and select a button that's in PNG format just to make sure it has a transparent background. If I select this one right here and click on insert, here we have our image, which will be our interactive button. So let me just resize that. Again, to assign a script, you will see the same ellipsis at the top right corner. If I click on it, one of the options again will be assign script. If you click on that and paste in the same code, click on OK. And this time, if we press or click on this interactive button, it will run the same script of clearing our spreadsheet. And there you have it. We've just created interactive buttons using our drawing or this image right here with our app script to clear our spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. And by the way, if you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.